I was naughty. You're really supposed to let watercolor ground dry naturally for 24 hours. But because I did such a thin layer, I decided, YOLO, I'm just gonna hit it with a blow dryer and keep going because I'm impatient. So I did. But then I used a brush I don't really care about, because if for some reason that watercolor ground were to still be wet, it would get mixed in with my brush, and if I didn't notice it at some point, that could damage the brush. So I'm not going to use one of my expensive, lovely, soft, natural fiber brush. I'm going to use this one that I never use because I don't even like it that much.